Hello! I recently designed this STM32 dev board and sent it for fabrication and assembly. I made a fatal mistake, but I managed to find a workaround. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't make the same mistake as me. When I first powered this thing on, everything seemed normal. The power LED turned on, I checked the voltages on all of the test points, and everything seemed good. But then I realized that my system does not recognize this as a valid USB device. I thought it should be a problem with the USB connector or the cable I was using. But then I realized the mistake I had made. I basically wired my crystal oscillator incorrectly, which meant my chip did not have access to a high-speed clock, which is essential for establishing a USB connection. And to add on top of that, I also forgot to add an SWD connector, which I could use to program and debug this chip using an ST-Link. I thought that all hope was lost and this was basically a failed project. But then I realized that my board has a UART connector and I had one of these UART to USB connectors laying around. So I decided to program this using this connector and it was successful. I managed to upload programs on this, but it was showing some strange behavior such as random resets. I speculated that the incorrectly wired crystal oscillator was creating a lot of noise and messing up with the chip's normal work. So I desoldered the crystal oscillator and the two supporting capacitor and everything worked fine. The main lesson I learned here is that you should never rush your design. Take your time and double check everything before sending your work board for fabrication and assembly. If you watched until now, I have a special treat for you.